Hello everyone, JRDeal96 here with a brand new reaction. As you can tell by the title, it's another Markiplier video and it's another Turbo Dismount video. Now in the last episode we saw him do impressions of a lot of YouTubers like Yummy Mash, PewDiePie, Jacksepticeye, Aaron, Ross, Danny, Mortimer, and Cinnamon Toast Ken. He was just doing his own impersonations of those YouTubers with their faces on the character in the game. So pretty hilarious stuff all around. So here we are with another episode, and it seems like two new vehicles were added to the game, a wrecking ball and a bulldozer. I wonder how Mark's going to be using these vehicles here, so let's find out. So without further ado, let's react to this video, shall we? Oh! Oh!
Hello everybody, my name is
What the fuck is that pose? That was just the seat, I think.
Added 2 new vehicles and a whole lot of new I don't even care what I'm saying.
Did you have a stroke?
A lot of new poses and new maps to play. This is not fast.
Yeah, this is slow.
Right now, this is exactly
Oh! It actually is strong enough to take out vehicles. Look at this.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm humping the
Oh my god.
Okay.
I see. His character model was humping the wheel.
You can calm down now.
Alright, you ejaculated it. I got it. You climaxed.
That is everything except for fast. That is exactly. Oh, hello.
Oh my. Oh my! Look at him go! Whoa! There goes that one.
What other poses you got? Oh, that's safe.
Paint me like one of your French girls.
We
both thought of the same thing.
Stop right there.
It's gonna be fantastic. You're still going the wrong way. Still cannot emphasize how wrong you're being right now. Okay. Ah! What are you gonna do? Huh? What are you gonna do? You gonna... Whoa! Wow!
Oh!
My goodness! That was impressive, except for when you died. All right, I found the perfect map for
Oh
you.
my lord!
This one's called Mines and Death. You can guess what's about to happen.
Put him! Oh my
Oh
god!
my god! My face! Bonk! Oh! Blow me like one of your friends do.
Oh my god!
Oh!
Boo!
That was a pathetic blowing. Oh, we're blazing now! Oh no! Obstacles! Oh no! Oh no!
That is a lame ass map.
Ah! So this one's called the cheese grater.
Oh, I kind of get it. So much for a cheese grater.
It's not even. It's completely nonsense. Ow, my arm! How dare you! And
Oh my god. The Miley Cyrus. I came in like a wrecking ball.
Oh, I'm going for a ride after being plowed and blowed.
Oh! Whoa! Did you see that wrecking ball go flying? Ah!
I'm okay.
Somehow he's alright.
Hey, Miley, you look fabulous, darling. What was that? You think your gosh darn spinny around you can mess with the likes of me?
Oh my, there goes the trees.
Wait a minute.
Way! Holy
I'm
shit.
not sure how this is any better for you, but hey,
Well, just fucking go for it, I guess. Whoa! Yeah! There goes his head.
Wheels! Oh my god, I thought that ball was coming right for me.
That's what she said.
Ah! Why? Yes, okay, I'm with it. Drifting to the left. Okay, good. Got it. With it. I'm totally. Oh, okay.
Whoa, my god.
This is okay, bonk. This is totally no.
Oh my god!
Oh! Death was so close. Hello, friend. How are you doing? My name is Markiplier. Oh, good to meet you. Okay, boy.
And he lost a limb in the process.
The road to Doom, huh? It's one of them Doom roads, huh? Okie dokie, bye. Stop! Oh, my arm!
Oh my god, he lost an arm.
From this platform into that hole over there without losing
Oh
any
my.
limbs. Now, I don't exactly have a lot of speed here, but I make up for it in lots of courage, and nothing could possibly... Oh, shit.
Yeah, so much for
This
that.
went probably exactly as planned.
Oh. Ow! Ow!
Why?
What the
So I
hell?
hope that this is actually going to swing and slam dunk me into the basket. Just like that.
Oh! Oh!
Did that count? I don't even know what the hell happened to me.
Yeah, what
Give
happened?
me a second.
What happened?
Slow it down a little more.
Oh! What went inside?
Ball, please. Okay, have mercy. I can feel it throbbing everywhere.
Whoa!
Yeah. Oh, no. Come on. Oh, man. Oh.
Jesus.
Hold on to your ball. Hold on for dear life. No. Okay. I must make it cross. With all my speed and all my... Ah, shit. It's exactly the same as it was the last time.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Thank you for
It's like Cleveland Brown. Now.
Snowplow hell, meet Bulldozer.
Oh my god, this is the map from 2 episodes ago.
Spin it. You can look fat lot of good you did.
Oh my god.
Bonk. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry.
Ouch.
Oh, come on. You better do a better job of clearing than the other guy did. Ow. My bottom half is missing. Well, thank you so much. Owie. We had a lot of suck last time. We need a little bit less of that. Or a lot less of that.
He lost a
I
limb.
won't expect to. Okay. Well, we're going on an adventure. Where'd my ride go? Where'd my legs go? Where'd my everything go?
Oh, he nailed it. Oh my god, chaos is in... Jesus Christ. Boom, boom,
Well,
boom, boom,
what are you
boom.
doing?
Oh.
Okay, where'd your head go? Gently in. Okay, you lost a leg, but that's okay. We got a lot more to lose later on. So just, okay, thank you very much.
As his leg comes
You
off.
shouldn't be going first. This is not. Okay, where's your ride? Whee! Oh, no.
Oh my god.
Okay. Well, you're still intact, so that's good. To be honest, I don't even know.
Oh
if
my
that's
god,
the
this
hell-
one too.
Whatever the hell is happening over there. Well, okay, I'm
Wow.
I'm gonna go over here now. Like a loser.
Like a loser.
Well, okay.
Ow.
I finally have the equipment to finally beat you. Finally, apparently. Oh, all right. then.
Whoa, ow, ow. Oh my.
Did you just eat me? Who did that? Oh, that was you. Oh my god. He protected me. He protected me. What are you doing over there?
What the hell is
Are you
happening?
okay? Are you all right? No.
Oh no.
No.
Oh my
Okay.
god, that'd be hilarious.
Are you just cleaning up? Or
Yeah,
you
there
just
goes that car.
You just do your thing. I'll be over. No. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. So thank you for joining me for another episode of Turbo Dismount. I'm still happy that they're updating this game.
Yeah.
I mean, I never thought that they
And
were
the fact
gonna
that there's a
do
new
this.
game coming out at some point this year in
Still, anyways,
2025
it's
is
a good
insane.
change, right? All right, Bob,
Nearly
you
10
can
years
check out
later.
more Turbo Dismount in the description below or through the annotation link over there. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!
Oh my gosh. So that was that episode with the wrecking ball and the bulldozer. But it was pretty hilarious when he was in the pit level and he was slowly going into the pit and he goes gently as his leg comes right off. That to me was too funny. Gently, my leg. Gently, crack. And the one where he almost made it into the pipe, I guess you could say. He literally went inside it. That's essentially what happened. But overall, that was a very, very fun, hilarious episode. So anyways, the next episode is called Slow Motion Madness. So I'm assuming there will be a lot of slow motion montages in this video. So that's probably what's going to happen. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's reaction. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Be sure to ring that bell to be part of the notification squad. Be sure to check out my Instagram because I make collabs with Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, even myself. Iris Vernacular the Cosplays on there, so go check it out. And be sure to check out my Tumblr and my Discord in the description as well. So until next time, JRD96 signing out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.